Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energy. We'll be picking cards as usual, guys. For your love energy, it's going to be different. So we'll be picking I have 3 piles, guys, for your love reading. You can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, guys, whichever pile you want to watch. So first, for your daily reading, that love reading will follow this daily energy. So stay tuned, guys, don't miss on that, because it's going to be an elaborate reading, guys. So let's start with your daily reading, Virgos. The Emperor, 3 of Cups, Queen of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, Virgos, this may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation. So you are there are certain conflicts in your career or in your personal life, but you are creating that balance and harmony. You are working towards that order in your life. So you are making efforts towards that, making that things go in a particular harmonious way, in a balanced way. You are a person of great strength and you have great beliefs and ideals, and you are a strong, determined person. You have that confidence and you have a particular way of doing things. So you do it in a particular order and you want things to be in perfect order. So you are working towards that in your career and your personal life, guys. That is what I see with these cards. And there maybe you are making great efforts in your career or in your personal life to work things out, but still there are people in your career or in your personal life who are working against you, guys. So someone opposing you, maybe they have jealousy or they have envy towards you, how you handle your situation, how you make even a very difficult situation into a harmonious one. So they are really envious of you because of the way you are in your life today, guys. And you are celebrating something, some kind of celebration. Maybe you are spending time with your friends or family, or you are working with people in your career. You have that team spirit and collaboration, that sense of community. So you are celebrating, attending a party or celebrating with your family or friends today, guys. Virgos, that is also what I see here with these cards for your daily reading, guys. For your love reading, guys, stay tuned. It's coming up right now. Don't miss on that, because it's going to be a very elaborate reading, guys. You can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a picker card. So this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards from each pile, guys. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that pile, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description, so you can skip to the timestamp and watch that pile, whichever you feel that attraction to. So first, let's start with pile number 1. We will keep these piles aside. For pile number 1, this reading will resonate to all signs, guys. So for your love energy, let us see what are these cards. So these are the cards here, guys, for your love reading for those who have chosen this pile. So, Treasure Island, Regeneration, Milk and Honey. So, with these cards, I see here that you are in a very auspicious time in this relationship, guys. So, whatever that you feel really unexpected and lucky is coming your way, maybe you would have felt that you may not have that understanding with this person, but this relationship is at that particular place. Whatever dreams that you had about this connection, it's going to come towards you guys, it's going to manifest. So you need to just enjoy this time, be happy for how this connection, this relationship is going, and treasure this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, if you are in if you were facing some kind of troubles in your connection, maybe you would have felt that this card, what I said with this card, now maybe that is not true. Maybe whatever your dreams, maybe for some of you, you may feel that that is not the reading for me. So you are in a troubled state in this connection. You don't share that understanding, that love with this person, maybe, guys. So for those who are in separation or who are facing some troubles, these cards also point out that there are second chances coming towards you, guys. So maybe certain endings or maybe certain stressful things have happened in your past, but today you are radiating that joy and confidence, and you are moving towards that positivity in your life, guys. So all that is positive in this connection. You need to focus your attention on that, and you are definitely getting second chances in this connection, guys, for sure. Because with these two cards together and this card, this also denotes that in this relationship with this person, you are enjoying that sweetness and vibrancy. So maybe even if you are having troubles in your connection, with these cards together, I see here that you will be heading towards a reconciliation, guys. Things will just dissolve. Maybe the troubles you had in this connection, it will dissolve, and you will be enjoying that sweetness of this connection, that intimacy and harmony in this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards. And whatever your heart's calling is, whatever you are wishing for, all that will be answered today. So you would have hoped, or you would have had faith in this person. Maybe it was broken because of certain things, circumstances or incidents that happened between you both, but time is a great healer. So this is a time that this connection is reviving again. You may be heading towards reconciliation, guys. That is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading with this card, guys, the first deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for those who have chosen this pile, let us see what is coming for your love reading, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So let's see what is coming for your love energy. It's 7 of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse, King of Swords in reverse, guys. So with these cards for your love energies, guys, in your situation today, this may be what your person feels about you, or what you may feel about this connection or about this person, guys. So you are in fear of something, maybe afraid of this person, or afraid how things may go about in this connection. Some kind of anxieties are there for you today. Maybe this person and yourself, you may not share that great understanding, or you are just worried, and you are scared what they may say. Maybe they are very emotional kind of a person, so they may often burst out to you. There may be some quarrels or arguments in this connection. So you are feeling that you have that fear and apprehension in this connection, guys. You are always stressed and worried when you are with this person. You try to be in your best to have that harmony, to have that balance in this connection. So you try to avoid any arguments or stress to maintain that balance. This may be your energy towards this person, or this may be their energy towards you, guys. But whatever it is, there are some stress and complexes involved in this connection, maybe, guys. They are not a balanced person. They may feel angry all of a sudden, and they are very volatile. So that may be the reason here for sudden emotional outburst or some quarrels, arguments in this connection, guys. And their intentions, they may not have that true loving intention towards you. They may be quite selfish. That may be the reason that you are facing troubles in this connection, guys. Troubles to understand, have that understanding, and have that peaceful, beautiful, loving relationship with them. So you would have had some kind of attraction towards them in the beginning. They are fine, but sometimes when certain circumstances or certain things make them emotional, pushes them in some way, they become very angry, out of control, and that may be the reason for fear or worries you have with this person or about this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second pile. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. For those who have chosen this pile, let us see what is coming up, guys, for your love energies. We'll be picking 3 cards, guys, from this deck. So let's see what is coming up for your love reading. It's 5 of Wands in reverse. It's the Hierophant. Ace of Spheres. So with these cards, guys, in your connection today, you are seeing happiness and success, and you simply feel wonderful to be with this person in this connection, guys, because this person you are in connection with, or this may be your energy. You have a very beautiful understanding with each other. This person is of great knowledge, and they have kindness and compassion towards you. They have this understanding and love towards you, and they have that truthful concerns on you guys. So they are always telling you the right things you need to do and guiding you in your life and being there for you, helping you a lot, and they are giving important suggestions for you regarding your life, what you need to do maybe in your career, and they serve as a great inspiration for you guys. So for most of you, you are having that open communication with this person, and for some of you, you both are thinking about marriage also. So this connection may take you towards progress towards marriage, guys. That is also what I see here, that harmony and balance is there in this connection, and this person is very knowledgeable. This may be what you feel about this person you are in connection with, guys, or what they feel about you in this connection. Maybe there are certain troubles or stressful situations you are having, maybe some minor arguments or some misunderstandings, but I see that all that negativity is going to come down, guys. It's just going to disappear. So you will be experiencing success and accomplishment because you are putting in efforts, you are working towards that harmonious balanced connection, guys, and you have this emotional satisfaction. That is what I see with these cards, and fortune is aligning with that sense of fulfillment and luck, guys. So you will be lucky. This person may come to propose to you, or you may propose to them. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and this person may be very soon to propose to you, guys. So that is also what I see here, guys. Happiness, balance and harmony, and even if you have any stressful situations, you are going to work it out. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.